So what I'm going to do, I want to open the page. After that, I want to maximize the window. Manage dot window dot maximize. Now after that, system dot out dot println d dot get title. Similarly, system dot out dot println of d dot get a current URL. Now after that, what I need to do, once it is maximized, I want to move from window to frame. So we use a function called d dot switch to dot frame, 0th frame. So I've been moved from window to frame. Once I move the window to frame, I want to capture the first element. Okay. Now click on that element and click on this button. So what is the name? Is there an ID? What is ID here? Draggable. So we can use web element drag equal to d dot find element of by dot id draggable. I've been captured my draggable. Now similarly, I'm going to take one more web element drop equal to d dot find element of by dot id, and I'm going to capture the second element, right? Click on that and click on the second element. ID is droppable. So null and just instead of droppable. I've been captured the two elements. One is drag and other one is drop. Now change to web element, import web element org.openQSL. Now once I captured it, we are performing the operations using actions, right? So we need to create an object actions and we need to store that in the actions itself. So for that we use actions, some variable a1 equal to new actions of driver. I need to place my driver. What is the driver here? D. D is a variable. Okay, now I've been created in actions. Now change it to actions. Import actions org dot, it is an user interactions. We need to change to import actions org dot user actions. Now, so now again, what is the variable here? What is the variable you mentioned? A1. Now we write A1 dot. We use a function called drag and drop. So this is your source and this is your destination. What is your source? And this is your destination. Drag comma drop comma dot build dot perform. So A1 is an action. Through actions, I want to drag and drop of that element source to the destination on which application build, and I want to perform that. That is a syntax. So for drag and drop, we use the function called, this is the action for actions for drag and drop. So I'll write that also. Syntax. So example. Okay. So this is how we are going to use a drag and drop actions. Any doubts? Shall I continue? You want to practice it?
So we'll practice it first.
Okay.